Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
There he is, a rooster crowing at the break of dawn. But what if one day the rooster cannot crow? He may feel a certain emotion, an emotion we call frustration. Frustration is a feeling of upset or annoyance caused by the inability to change or achieve something. It's like a cow trying to fly or a pig attempting to climb a tree. It's a common emotion experienced by everyone, from the busy bees of the hive to the farmer tending his fields. We can express this emotion in a sentence like, "The rooster felt frustration when he couldn't crow at dawn." Now, you too can use this word, frustration, to describe your feelings in English.